What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to lock any app here on your iPhone device, regardless of the app that you select. I'm going to show you how to lock it so nobody gets access to it. So every time you tap on that specific application, it's going to require you to actually position your Face ID or your fingerprint or unlock your device in order to access that specific application. This is a very common feature used right now, which is trending in order to restrict people from gaining access to your phone or from accessing actually information that you don't wish them to access. For example, you suddenly lend your phone to somebody to click a picture and that person accidentally opens up your gallery or any other application. You might have some confidential information that you don't wish to share or you don't wish to show to that specific person. So it's very important to learn this new method of how to lock your iPhone device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and guides especially related to iPhone and Apple devices in here. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you two different methods. One is an old method of how to lock your phone, and then I'm going to show you a much newer version of how you can actually lock your iPhone device applications in here and lock each application individually, okay? And also as bonus, I'm going to show you how to also hide a specific application if that's the case, if you wish to hide a specific application. Now jumping straight into the tutorial, starting here from the very first method, which is the most common used and the easiest one now, the most recent method is the following. For example, let's say that I wish, for example, to lock my Uber Eats application in here. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold on Uber real quick, and then I'm going to tap here on require Face ID or require fingerprint if you do have an Apple iPhone device with a physical fingerprint home button down there. So I'm going to tap here on require Face ID, and then it's going to ask me whether I really want it to require Face ID every time I open it up. It says this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. So I'm going to tap on require Face ID if I only want to lock it. Otherwise, if you want to hide the specific app as well, you can tap on hide and require Face ID. Let's go with the very first option, require Face ID only. And there we go. It's now set. Every time I tap here on Uber Eats app, it's going to ask to actually position my Face ID to open up the application. There we go. I'm going to tap on try Face ID again, position my face, and boom, here we go. I'm already into my Uber Eats application. And this happens all the time. I'm going to tap again. It's going to ask me to position my Face ID. There we go. Face ID positioned. Application has been unlocked. Now I'm going to press and hold. If I want to remove it, I'm going to tap on don't require Face ID. I'm going to position my Face ID and the lock has vanished. Okay. Now, for example, if you wish to hide that specific application, let's say that you have an application which is very secret and you don't want anybody to get access to it, you can press and hold on it and tap here on require Face ID and then tap on require Face ID and hide the app. You're going to simply position your face, tap on hide app down here, and the app has vanished. So you don't have a how to find that specific app. Even if you bring down the search bar here at the top and search for Uber Eats, you won't be able to find that specific application because it has been hidden. Now, in order for you to access that app, you need to go all the way to the right to the app library and then scroll down here where you do have an option which says hidden. So you need to tap on hidden and then position your Face ID and you'll be able to see that app reveal real quick. Now, once you tap on it, it's going to ask you for a Face ID again, position your face, and then the application will launch. Now, if you wish to unhide and remove it from here, tap on hidden, unlock with Face ID, press and hold on it, and then simply tap on don't require Face ID, okay? And then it's gonna vanish here from the hidden section or category. But still, it's not yet on my desktop, okay? So I need to go back here, go to my app library, scroll down all the way to the letter U, okay? There we go. And then here we go, we do have Uber Eats here. Just need to press and hold it and then drag it all the way back to my home screen real quick. And then I'll be able to have my app here unhidden and unlocked back as normal. Now, this is the very first method for you to lock applications. Now, let me say that I want to lock my Uber Eats application in a different way, which is the old method in here previously used by many iPhone users. You first need to go to this app here, which is known as shortcuts. There we go. This is the application. Now, if you're unable to find shortcuts, you can quickly open up App Store real quick, and then you can search for shortcuts here at the top. Okay, simply search for shortcuts, search for it, and then download the application here from the App Store. So once you're done downloading it, simply open up shortcuts, and then what we want to do here is actually create a new shortcut. So in order to create a new shortcut, first things first, we need to tap on this plus button in here, and then you need to search for a specific shortcut which is known as lock. Okay, so you're gonna tap on search actions and search for lock. So you want to tap on lock screen, you want to select this option in here, the very first one, and then tap on done, and this will be brought here to your main home screen where you do have a bunch of shortcuts. Now, once this is done, we're heading here to automation tab, and in here we'll tap on new automation. Next up, we're going to search for app. Okay, and the next up we'll tap on app real quick, and then we'll select the apps that we wish to lock. Okay, I'm gonna select, for example, Uber Eats. There we go. We do have Uber Eats in here. I'm gonna select Uber as well. Okay, these two apps, I want to lock them. And then I need to make sure that is opened option is selected or ticked. Next up, I need to tap on run immediately. Okay, and next up, I'm gonna tap on next in here, and then it's gonna ask me what I want to happen every time I tap on that specific application or those two specific selected applications. So here is the main point. We need to search for lock, which is a shortcut that we've already actually brought into or saved into our main shortcuts. So I'm gonna tap on lock screen in here, and there we go. Whenever I open these two apps, it's gonna lock my screen. Automation has been done real quick in here. It's already set. As you can see, I'm gonna tap on done. I'm gonna head back and let me quickly open up Uber Eats, for example. Tap once on Uber Eats, and there we go. My phone has locked. I need to unlock my phone manually here, either with the passcode or with my Face ID. And then Uber Eats is going to launch up real quick. There we go. So this is how it goes. We need to, first of all, tap on Uber Eats. It's going to lock up, and then we unlock our phone. So the second method pretty much locks your entire phone every time you access one of these two apps. So this is how you can actually lock apps individually here on your iPhone device, regardless of the iPhone model that you've got, as long as you do have a recent operating system, which doesn't necessarily need to be that recent. For example, if you do have an iPhone 11, 12, you can pretty much do this on your phone. If you do have a much older operating system, this second method will be the preferred method, as the very first one is much recent and will be available in much newer operating systems. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any questions or any doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so, you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech-related issues. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.